Okay, 1.3. Migration is the process of moving workloads and data into the AWS cloud safely and strategically. AWS defines 6 common migration paths, often called the 6 R's of cloud adoption. Rehost, or lift and shift, means moving existing applications to AWS without redesigning them, a fast and straightforward approach. Replatform, sometimes called lift, tinker, and shift, involves making small optimizations during migration to take advantage of cloud features without major changes. Repurchase refers to the moving of a new software as a service solution, such as Salesforce or Workday, instead of maintaining legacy software. Refactor or re-architect goes deeper, redesigning applications to fully leverage cloud native capabilities like serverless computing, microservices, and automation. And retire identifies obsolete workloads that no longer serve a business purpose and can be safely decommissioned. And finally, retain means keeping certain workloads on premises, at least for now, when it makes sense due to technical or business reasons. Each path depends on your organization's goals, timeline, and the complexity of your environment. To support every stage of your AWS cloud migration journey, AWS has a suite of tools and frameworks designed to simplify and accelerate the process. AWS Migration Hub acts as your central command center, a single dashboard to track progress and to monitor all of your migrations in one place. The AWS Snow family offers physical devices that securely transfer massive amounts of data from your on-premises environment to the cloud, perfect for locations with limited bandwidth. Now, AWS Database Migration Service, or DMS, enables continuous data replication with minimal downtime, ensuring your databases stay synchronized throughout the move. The AWS Application Migration Service simplifies large-scale server rehosting by automating much of the manual work involved in traditional migrations. And guiding it all is the AWS Cloud Adoption Framework, or CAF, which helps you align people, processes, and technology, creating a clear strategy for long-term cloud success. Together, these resources form your mission plan, providing the structure, visibility, and confidence to move from where you are today to where you want your organization to be. Bringing it back to Inception, Cobb's leap of faith wasn't about chance. It was about trust in the design. The same is true when migrating to the cloud. Each strategy represents a deeper level of transformation. Rehosting is quick and familiar. Replatforming fine-tunes performance. Refactoring reimagines the system entirely. When guided by AWS Cloud Adoption Framework, every move reduces risk, boosts efficiency, and supports sustainability. You gain agility, improve ESG performance, and unlock new revenue potential. Migration isn't about leaving behind what worked. It's about building what's next. So take the leap, trust the architecture, and step into the dream of AWS transformation.